Hi, I'm Dr. Raman. I'm a urologist and neurologist and a men's health expert. Today we have a lot of targets to actually meet, which requires long duration of working. Usually we have our patients sitting on the desk for 10 to 12 hours, even 14 to 16 hours, and what this leads to is a total lack of mobility, a total distortion of the normal cycle in which a human should act. The diet patterns have been affected. More men, they are coming to us with problems of erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, non-consummation of marriage, inability to actually enjoy sex, low libido where they don't want to engage into the sexual activity, depression, hypertension, diabetes, obesity, and dyslipidemia. The kind of lifestyle that people take to escape from the stress, such as smoking. Routine smoking particularly is very harmful when it comes to the sexual life. It causes erectile dysfunction. It also affects the sperm counts, alcohol, partying late night, all these kind of things. They do disturb the routine. Heat production, especially if you're using the laptop in your lap, that causes the production of heat because of the electronics involved, and that can increase the temperature around the scrotal area. And as we all realize, the scrotum is being placed outside the body, which is because of a specific reason that the enzymes need a 2 degree lower temperature for the production of sperms to take place, which is not possible when you have something heated right there in the crotch area. I would say first and foremost we have to play the life in a balanced fashion. I mean, you shouldn't be carrying the load of your work home. When you're home, you should be in a relaxed fashion. You should be able to enjoy the other things as well. Usually हम encourage करते हैं juices, fresh fruits, सैलड्स जो हम प्रेफर कर सकते हैं. ये सब चीज़ें easily available हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बर्गर्स और पिज़्ज़ाज ही लिए जाएं. We can always go for salads also, which are a healthier option. And it's important to have the meals in a timely fashion, because only then we can digest them in the proper way, so that all the essential qualities of them can be extracted and be enjoyed by the body.